You need to watch this if you struggle with sneezes and wheezes, or just curious about what you inhale with every breath. This is going to blow your mind. Did you know the air around us is like a secret soup mixed with ingredients you can't even see? First up, there's nitrogen. Makes up a whopping 78% of our air. It's like the bread and butter of our atmospheric meal. Then oxygen at 21%. That's the stuff keeping us all chatty and active. But wait, there's more. Tiny amounts of argon and carbon dioxide. And let's not forget the special of the day pollutants. Yep, from car exhaust to factory fumes, these uninvited extras make their way into our air soup. And guess what? They're not the kind of seasoning we want. So next time you take a deep breath, remember, it's not just air, it's a whole recipe.